In this video, you are going to see how to type fourth or the th small in Microsoft Excel. Here I have the fourth and here I have another option and I can move it. So let us type here 4 and th fourth. If you want, you may increase the font size. Now select the th, click on right button, go to format cell and then click on this option Superscript and click on OK. Then the th will be over fourth. There is another option. Go to insert, go to equation, insert new equation. Go to home. If you want, you may increase the font size. Then go to equation, go to over here script and select the first option. Click on the first box, type here 4 and click on the second box and type here th. Select all of this, go to home and uncheck the italic format. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.